My name is Noah, and I'm going to make a roller roller. The point is a roller roller is to stay balanced and well, have fun. What we're gonna need is this piece of wood, this, and this piece of wood. So we got the wood right here. So now all we need is a cutter. I like mine really shiny and nice, so I'm gonna choose some purple. It's called Regal Purple, and it's really nice because it's like shiny, unique, and yeah, that's about it. So we got the wood and the paint. All we need is the skateboard grip, which we're just gonna get here. It's tiny squares like that. That's good. That's pretty right there. And these. It's gonna be really cool. Which is gonna be good. Okay, so right now we're gonna start making the roller boiler. We've got the wood, the paint, and the skateboard grip, which is gonna help me stay on the roller boiler. For cutting the wood, we need this type of saw, and for cutting the pipe, because otherwise you can't do anything with the board, this. To assemble it all together, you need 6 by 1 and 1/4 type screws. I need to sand it. You need this. To measure the wood, you need this tape measurer and a pencil. Right now I'm gonna start measuring the wood. If you don't have already a model like I do, like this, you can just put your feet on the board and measure until you feel comfortable. But for me, since I've already got it, I'm just gonna take the wood, put it here, move these all out of the way because otherwise we're going to be triggered all over the place, and start measuring. So I just put the board at the end of my board that I need, but it's the best quality, and I put the ruler, and I draw my line. Since we need 2 pieces of wood, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, and we're gonna put the here. There. Okay, so there we go. So now we don't need this anymore. Okay. Let's get cutting. As you can see, I am using a jigsaw, but because the saw would have taken too long and it's more fun to use. Right now we're gonna start cutting. So you see the line that I did? I'm gonna have to put the jigsaw exactly on it. Come on. Okay, there we go. If some people don't like noise covering your ears because this is loud. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we got the first piece. Hallelujah! Okay, so right now I'm just doing the second piece. So I'm just gonna put it down. Check it's all equal. You want it exactly equal so then you don't make any mistakes. Like that. Okay, so then we're gonna do this. We're gonna make a line 6 so then you can actually see it. We're gonna move it again. I'm gonna move this up. This piece, and then you're gonna do this. Okay. You're gonna do it again. So then go. And then it's like exactly the right width. There you go. Got 2 pieces. Now I'm gonna have to start cutting them. So right now I'm just cutting it with the jigsaw. Get this right in line. Alright, and cover your ears. Yeah. Okay, so when I'm just sanding it to make it a bit smooth, make the paint smoother, so then it doesn't like come out of bumps. So I'm just going to start doing the paint, just need to mix it a bit. art teacher would say she know what to do. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm gonna pour a tiny bit like this. As big as my pour. Well, it's a bit more, but it'll do for now. Okay, I'm gonna take this. This is what you need to paint with. I'm gonna do that. Start painting that. And we're gonna have to wait until it dries. Yeah, this looks pretty nice anyway. Alright, so right now I've just finished painting my coats and I'm gonna drill some holes. The problem why I can't just screw them in right now is because otherwise, because it's so hard, it'll just crack open like this. So you can see the holes. Yeah. So I've just marked them equally so then we know what to do. And then now we're just about to start drilling. Okay, right now I'm just about to screw the holes. Just about to drill the hole so then so I can put the screws in. Again, people that don't like noise, cover your ears. Next one. Okay. Go. Holes. I need to do 12 of them. So right now I'm just screwing the screws in, so then the boards will keep in place. Then the only thing we need to do is put the skateboard grip on, and then do the pipe. Then we'll have our beautiful roller board. Well, balancing board in English. And so right now I've just finished the last piece of my roller board, of my balancing board, sorry, that's what it's called in English. What I need to do is cut the pipe. I've made it a bit longer than the balancing board so that it's easier to get, it's a bit safer because if it's too small you can just fall off. Right now all I need to do is sew it until it reaches the other end, and this is going to take a while. Okay, so I finished the balancing board. I've got the board right here, and I've got the pipe that we just cut. Let's try it out. So yeah, can use the grip to stay on it without falling off like skateboards. Oh yeah, this works well.